Network Entertainment.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Kaya Pa Ba? I think this is the first episode of 2026 at dahil nga naman trending na trending ang show na yun ng 2025 exclusively, andito po ang secret cast member ng Heated Rivalry. We have Carl Bautista.
Ako ang immigrant na pumunta sa
Ikaw
team.
yung exchange student.
Oo,
Ikaw si
totoo.
Charisse Sagli. Yan o, nung exchange student siya.
Oo, parang nagpakita lang ng saglit, tapos off-cam na agad.
Off-cam na. Pero nagpaandar lang siya. First of all, thank you for wearing
I know, so a
the
big
drag.
fan.
Let's just call it drag of the show, di ba?
Yes.
Diba?
So for the fans out there, have you seen the show?
I think by the time this airs, I have already
Okay,
seen the show.
so guys, he's gonna binge all 6 episodes.
I have by then like napanood ko na siya. So, very interesting. So I asked you kanina like before we started rolling, like how's your 2026 so far? And you gave me such an interesting answer that I am now going to scrap or maybe move some of my questions to the latter part of the episode. Because ano ang sinagot mo nung tinanong kita kung kamusta ang 2026 mo so far?
It's been off to a very interesting start. Kasi parang 2025, during the Christmas season, diba, reflect, time with family, ganyan.
Essay writing.
Correct. Parang, what are your 2026 goals? Diba? Or what are you grateful for 2025?
Okay.
That's when I sat down and realized, maybe it's time to leave corporate. Maybe.
Maybe it's time to leave corporate.
Totoo.
Now,
But-
of course, ang daming nag-light na ball sa akin because number one, I was actually surprised to know that all this time, as a
Yeah.
fellow content creator, you are still employed.
Yeah. I've been employed in this company for 7 years. Prior to that, with another architecture firm for 2 years, and with another one for 2 years also. So I've been architect for around, well, I've been licensed architect for 10 years. And yeah, that's how it is.
We need licenses.
Do you remember yung trend na 2016 throwback?
Alam mo, can I just say, like right now, so while we're filming this, kasagsagan po ng trend na yun.
Yes.
2016 was a really weird year for me.
It was an
in as much as I would
interesting year.
like to post my photos, parang what I was going through, like behind those photos, I was going through a lot.
Wait, so 2016, you just got,
No.
fresh grad.
No,
not fresh grad.
2016, working na ako.
Working ka na.
Talagang like 5 years na ako nagtatrabaho.
Baka sagsagad na yun ng working class mo na parang
Medyo.
OT all day.
Definitely.
Oh my
tama ka doon. Tamang-tama ka doon.
So yung mga selfie mo ay nasa office pa at 12 midnight. Ganon.
That's kasabay ko umuwi yung mga daga, yung mga ipis. Kasi sila yung mga kasama ko mag-OT eh. Diba?
Shucks.
Pero anyway, so you told me that you might be finally leaving your corporate
Yeah.
job. Paano na-develop yung clarity and the confidence to be able to
Correct.
come to this realization?
So, funny enough, the question, should I leave corporate, has been itching my brain for the past maybe 3-4 years.
Okay.
Because like I've been creating content. I was part of the show called Sparks Camp, a small tiny show called Sparks Camp, and then season 1, and then so like I've been part of that, and like I was like, should I jump into content creation? Should I jump into freelancing? But no. So every year I'd still continue working for this archi firm, and I love my job.
Yeah.
I like being an architect. I love being a consultant for master planning and urban design. But my growth in content creation did not stop. I just kept going, and I'm very, very grateful for that. So I guess with that, parang the data says it na, okay, you're growing sa
Such an Aries that dapat may data pa rin.
Correct.
Hindi
Diba?
pwedeng bold claims lang, di ba?
Diba? If you're gonna make a leap, parang calculated risk.
Exactly.
Diba?
Okay. Oh.
So if I'm gonna jump, I'm gonna fall. Pero let's land on something. You know what I mean? So and that's how I kind of decided now na parang I have the following. My growth isn't stopping. Brands, again, have been messaging me. Very grateful for that. And the start of the year na may mga interested to partner and collab. Like this, I'm very grateful for this. So, ayun, parang maybe these are signs.
Yeah.
No,
what I'm hearing from your story is that it is not, how do I say this? toxic or
No.
stressful circumstances that are kind of pushing you to do it,
Yeah.
because that is really the common story, diba? That was my story. I was
Yeah.
like, nagigising na ako in the middle of the night. I really did not like the leadership in the organization that I was a part of, but now I'm hearing a different thing na parang you like the people you work
Yeah.
with, you feel like you are still able to express the skills and talents that you were given in this workplace, but somehow
Yeah, and
there
I'm-
is this parang, correct me if I'm wrong, pero parang na-outgrow mo na ba, or you're just ready to move on and give more effort to the other great things that are happening in your
Yeah.
life?
So you came from a marketing background, right?
Yes.
Opportunity cost.
Okay.
It's really that. Like, I've been an architect for years, and I've been with this company for 7 years. No, the growth is there, pero you can see in this other industry naman na mas malaki, diba? Kung mag-invest ka ng pera,
Correct.
so sa akin investment ko ay time,
Mm-hmm.
'di ba? Kung dito, let's say 5% ang growth. Dito, let's say 10. So parang,
Very clear ang choice.
'di ba? And again, you're right. I don't hate my job. I love my boss. I love my office mates. I'm not even bullshitting, Parang my office mates are my good friends. We drink and then we hang out, and my boss is like very respectable. He's taught me so much. But that's the thing, in this other industry, in marketing and in freelancing, I'm also growing by myself. So what, parang,
Yeah.
what happens if I go on my own and like I grow here?
Yeah.
It's the what ifs.
Correct.
Diba?
Correct. But also, if you think about it, it's also, you can argue na the reason why ganito na rin kahinog yung other endeavors mo of being a content creator is because you also had such a very supportive workplace to
Yes.
just help you, up until ready ka na today. Diba?
That's a very good point.
Diba?
Kasi I told my boss
Uh-huh.
even na parang, sir, I might resign. Like last year or 2 years ago na parang, sir, parang I wanna resign na kasi I'm having like
the same fork in the road kind of
exact all the
situation.
time.
Okay.
And like these brands are bringing me to other countries
Correct.
to compete. And I'm like, nakakaya sa boss ko. Kasi parang leave ako ng leave. Like month after month, no? So parang leave without pay. But the thing is, I'm being paid elsewhere naman. So, ang supportive. And like we're remote from home. Remote work
Pwede rin,
from
remote from home. Like talagang ayaw mo talaga magtrabaho because you are working remote from home.
Correct. You're remote from home.
Oo.
Diba? Anyway, so yun, parang remote work kami and I have time to do all these things. I have time to train, I have time to make content. Sobrang supportive nila, but my boss was like, oh, kinakaya mo palang pagsabayan eh. Pagsabay mo na.
Alam mo, in
And I
fairness,
was
that
just
is
like-
such an evolved and healthy response.
Exactly.
If you think about
And
it.
like, the annoying part is, he challenged me. So
Yeah.
yung Aries ko, parang,
I know, or to say the airship is like, ganun
Parang-
na.
di mo, feeling mo yung haya? Yung haya? Eto.
Sobrang gets.
Pagsabayan ko.
Okay.
Pinagsabay ko. And I balanced it well for the past 3 years.
Wow.
And like, now it's just like, opportunity cost and the other side is
Correct.
I'm missing these things
Yes.
kasi I'm still focused on
Yes.
architecture. So now I'm like, maybe it's time to like,
Yeah.
jump.
But I think you bring up a great point in the sense na most of the time, it is not about the workload or the quality of work that will make you stay or leave. It really is about your immediate boss.
Yeah.
I mean, they will make or break not only your career, but I think your sanity.
Totoo yan. Like, they're directly involved with your life eh.
Yeah.
Kung may text yan at 7 a.m., really,
Correct.
really, you wake up to that text. But if the boss goes parang, okay guys, happy long weekend, pero Thursday pa lang. What does that mean? That doesn't mean that Friday
Tamad siya. Joke. Okay.
Pero
yeah.
diba? So,
Yeah.
again, your boss is either your worst enemy or your biggest inspiration.
Yeah.
So,
Nakakatawa. But kanina napag-usapan rin natin, you are considering parang taking that leap now that you're about to turn 35. Yeah, I'm about to turn 35. But when I took that leap, I was 29.
yeah.
So this, like, what are some of the, to just make parang inside out, to make room for every voice in your head right now? Like on certain days that you are worried, what are you worried about? How's the self-talk like?
It's like, parang, okay, Carl, it's really the bills eh. So, because you have a day job, it's the constant, it's the, yung monthly, yung 1530, you know it's the stable income eh. It's gonna come and go. I mean, it's gonna keep coming as long as you work. Pero pag freelance na parang saan mo pupulutin yan? And I've never freelanced in my life, right? So now I'm like, okay, savings na. Parang how much do we actually spend per month? Ngayon lang ako nagaganon.
Wow, very good. At 35.
At 35, at 35, people think I have my shit together. I honestly don't.
Okay.
You know, I'm really just winging it the entire time. I said that now. I'm winging it the entire time. And my friends were like, what the fuck, Carl? You've been winging it the entire time and you're still doing pretty well. So I'm like, I guess so. So thank you. But like, let's see now because I have to plan this shit, you know?
Pero nakakatuwa na nakita ng boss mo that you are actually doing a lot and you are able to make a lot of things work. Because you have a day job.
I do.
You have the parang lifestyle content creator responsibilities and demands. But you are also like a multi-sport athlete. Like,
yeah.
First of all, I can't even commit to a sport. And you have decided to commit to many sports. So I guess what is it about? Are you like a productivity nerd? Are you because it is no joke to be now that I know that you juggle so many things, parang damn, how are you able to make it work?
It's internalized homophobia.
I mean,
Char, diba? Parang
it
we gotta
always
prove
goes back to
ourselves.
that.
Diba? Parang, what is your worth if you're not worth anything?
But honestly, if you think about it, like without internalized homophobia, will we really know our full potential?
Diba? You never know.
Correct.
You can be more.
You can be more.
You can be burnt out and still be productive. That's how it is, you know?
Yes, but like you do you do like right now, ano yung actively sports na like pinapursue mo?
So it's functional fitness, no? So that's high rocks.
Okay.
There's also Spartan racing, which is
Okay.
obstacle course racing.
Okay.
There's trail running where you run the mountains. There's
Trail
road running where you
Run the road.
run the roads. And then there's also bouldering, which is
Okay.
like wall climbing.
Okay.
And ultimate frisbee, which is frisbee.
Okay.
Pero hindi aso kalaro.
Okay. When you play these sports, and I'm genuinely curious, do you somehow find it hypnotic? Because
Oh, yeah.
ang dami, parang it looks exhausting, but maybe to you it's like it might be your most zen place. I don't know.
It's for mental well-being.
Uh-huh.
In a good and a bad way.
Uh-huh.
Like, so running does help you like kind of balance your emotions when you're stressed or when you're angry. You run it out, parang it's gonna balance out kasi napapagod ka and you get to think and reflect, etc., etc. On the flip side, if you get used to running so much or playing all these sports so much, the moment you don't, mababaliw ka.
Okay.
So I kind of grew dependent on these sports.
Got
Na
it.
if I don't work out for, I'd say 3 days, I'd be like, shit, ang taba ko na. Ang unhealthy ko. So there you go. Another.
Yeah. Ako personally, I work out or I exercise in the morning because I honestly think like my brain cannot function if I don't feel like I am inside my body yet.
I
Yeah.
get it. That's
Yeah.
a good point also. Kasi parang the more you work out, the more in tune you are with like, okay, I'm moving my body. So it's
Yes.
mind to body connectivity. I don't know.
Got
how to
it.
say it.
Yeah.
Pero it helps a lot mentally din
Yeah.
talaga.
And, I guess it's also nice to know that these sports, while, you can say they are a hobby, but I think they also become tools for you. I'm sure you've been an athlete all your life, but I'm sure it has helped you in periods wherein you may have needed to just, zone out a bit and you
Correct.
have something waiting for you.
So it's an escape from reality, really, because when you run or when you play frisbee or do all these sports, you're focused on the task at hand, and it's not like you're just drawing or no. You can easily put yourself out. Here, kasi when you're running, you're on the road, and like kung malayo ka na sa bahay mo, how else will you go home? Eh, tatakbo ka na naman, diba?
Naman din. Magandang
When
point
you're
yun.
diba? When you're playing frisbee, a team sport, you're there on the field. You can't think of anything else but to score that goal,
Yeah.
block that disc.
Yeah. And I think sometimes, and what I'm gathering is, maybe if you play a sport, it actually simplifies life.
Wow.
Because like there is no other task to,
Yeah,
be,
yeah.
to be made but to, I don't know, catch that frisbee.
Correct.
No,
Oh.
like, diba, like,
And that's
yeah.
why they say, get your head in the game. Because if your head isn't in the game, if you're distracted by everything else,
Correct.
how are you gonna win? How are you gonna focus on that goal of crossing that finish line with your time?
So as an Aries, do
Diba?
you like to win?
Of course, who doesn't like Who doesn't like winning? Why else do I play sports if not to get the medals? Joke lang.
And I really want to talk about the Aries-ness of it all because I personally have only embraced, as in like fully own it, my being an Aries, maybe only like 2 years ago.
Okay.
What do I mean when I say that? Like, kunyari, when I am just so extremely passionate about a point that I want to make, that I not only talk with my hands, but I decide to turn it into a performance to whomever is listening. Like, I'm like, you know what? I will deliver my point this way. Also, at the same time, when parang, kaya pala ako, I'm such a straight shooter. No pun intended. I'm so direct to the point. I feel like I hate bullshit.
Fair.
Tapos parang ngayon lang naman, maybe like medyo part siya ng pagiging Aries. I've just, like, I like things efficient.
Parang pet peeve na yung inefficiency.
Yes,
Diba?
correct.
Actually, parang yung ganyang mga zodiac for me. Yes, I am also a little bit of a believer of things like that. It's funny lang na when you read the Aries horoscope, it's like, I can't deny it.
Yeah.
Parang that's how it is. Parang you don't like bullshit. You get competitive. You get riled up so easily.
Correct. But
Parang-
also, I'm also very sensitive as well. But I'm so competitive, pero like sometimes, like, I get it, like, I'm a sore loser during like the first 48 hours of defeat. Pero after that, I'm like, I am plotting my revenge already.
Gets.
Pero first 48 hours, I'm like, oh my God, I need a hug. Ganon.
First 48 hours, I'm like, I could have done better. Parang
Exactly.
you beat yourself up.
As
and
in like
everything.
autopsy report of like every single thing I did wrong. Yeah,
Correct.
Diba?
And then like, okay, tapos na yan.
Tapos na, like-
Let's stop sulking. Let's get better.
Yeah, like medyo ganun ako.
Diba? And that's how it is talaga pag, especially in sports, no? So as an Aries, I do get competitive unhealthily. My friends know this, and my friends and my race mates na parang whenever they see me sa Spartan race, sa starting line. They're like, oh, hindi na si Carl, intense na. I'm like, hindi, chill lang ako.
Pero deep down, you're like, I'm going to fucking... I can't curse.
I don't-
It's my show.
I don't say it.
Yeah, but...
Up until the middle na I'm like, you know what, kaya ko pala eh. Like, parang it's not my fault you guys are a bit slow. I'm sorry. I
Ang
don't mean
ganda
that
na.
so
It's
much.
such an Aries thing to say.
slipped
It's
out. I'm
not
sorry.
my fault that you're a bit slow. Parang meron rin ako isang Aries na friend. Naglolokohan kami pag sobrang like, alam mo naman, meron kang friends na like, tinotolerate yung sungay ng isa't isa. Na parang, sabi niya, tayo mga Aries, matapang ba talaga tayo o weak lang sila? Sabi ko, we can't say that out loud.
Exactly. We can't say it out loud, but here we are.
But here we are. Oh, yeah, oo.
Pero, you know, like, syempre, I wanna keep the fun in it pa.
Yes.
Because, like, you get burnt out if you're always too focused, if you're always just going for the goal. Where's the fun in that, diba?
Yeah.
But again, it's also fun to win.
Yes.
So,
It is fun to win. Yeah, it is fun to win. I think because you play multiple sports, I think we have to get into the gays taking over sports. Which is,
jeez.
I've done a number of
Ooh.
stand-up clips, and then may mga taong tinatag ka, and then you've also, I think, maybe used some of the audio before.
I have, yeah.
When that is part of my stand-up bit, I say that with love. I mean, of course, may shadiness siya, pero kasi po,
That's how it is.
nakakatuwa kasi, and I'm sure you know this, like, we are everywhere.
We are.
Like, we are, like, wow, like, in this lifetime,
Correct.
we are everywhere. And not only are we everywhere, we're kicking major butt.
To the gays. To the gays.
To the
talaga.
gays, to the gays. But according to my research, you have also experienced some maybe discrimination before.
100%.
But how is it to witness like a total 180 within your lifetime? But that must be healing kahit papaano.
Am I out? Yeah, it is naman. It is naman. Like, so you mentioned nga na parang you see the gays everywhere,
Yeah.
diba? Which is great, honestly, because it embodies the whole saying na be who you needed to be growing up, diba? And that's who I am now.
Okay.
Like, I did not have an open athlete icon growing up. Nobody was like that. And everybody now, I think, again, the gays are like in showbiz and corporate who are also big bosses and politics also in the States. They're there.
true.
They're there. So it's great to see that. And it is healing because you're like, oh, that's so nice. Everyone's really kicking ass, but also like I'm supposed to be the only gay athlete, so I'm the best gay athlete here. So you know, what's going on here? Ang dami mga baklang malalakas pa. What the fuck?
I'm sure.
But I love them all.
Yeah.
It's a good one of my best friends is like probably the fastest gay person in Manila, as I know. Like he runs a 3-hour marathon. He's amazing. But also, I'm like, shit, akala ko ako pa yung pinakamalakas, pero may mas malakas pa pala sa akin.
Grabe.
So it's great to see. It's great to see. It's also just like, yes, I'm not as unique as I thought I was.
Pero I mean, like, and daming mga bading sa sports, and to the gays who are making every sport count, we salute you.
Totoo.
We need you. But also, I think that is testament to, I feel like queer people just really possess like many forms of intelligence. I feel
Oh,
like
yeah.
in order for you to do like hand-eye body coordination and
Naman,
jump through
yeah.
hoops, like there is a certain level of
Correct. Not just in talent. Parang
Yes.
Gays are so freaking talented.
Yeah.
Like, I can't even. Like, it was always, again, growing up, it was always in the arts, in the theater, or in, sadly put, sorry, pero yung mga sa parlor,
Correct.
haircut. I mean, like,
Yeah.
that is a stereotype.
But
and that's
now we've
okay.
kind of owned it and parang made it our own. So parang we have
Exactly.
some of like the best photographers and
Correct.
makeup artists just trying to say
Exactly.
no. Like we are arguably some of the best in this
Exactly.
in this industry.
And that's amazing. And like, I feel like as an athlete also, I'm like, wait, nito rin kami. By the way, we're also here. We're also kicking ass here.
Yeah.
And no, it's fun. I guess it's fun, like just thinking about it na parang, shit, yung gays, hindi na kinocompete yung mga ibang mga straight. Yung mga yung competition is with other gays na rin.
I mean, it's
So-
all roads lead to hilahan pababa.
Whereas, ano,
No, pero ayun nga, sabi, madam, I feel like napaka-multifaceted. Nothing lahat. I don't think this is just a queer thing.
That's
But
not,
I feel
yeah.
like the sooner you come to the realization that you have so many facets to you, I think the sooner you can just be happy. And I feel like you have an artistic pursuit with architecture, you have sports, and then you also have like content creation. This whole regimen of doing so many things all at the same time, why does this work for your particular type of creature?
I mean, I guess it just does. Parang ever since I was younger then, because I couldn't stay put.
Yeah.
You know? Like, my dad would used to get mad at me all the time because dinner table, you have to sit down, finish your food, right? I could never just sit still. Pinapagyan ko
Talaga?
parate. So I would always like, magkalikot, make art, and I would also run around and play sports. So now I've just focused a bit more, I guess, and decided na, okay, I like these three things, and I'll keep doing it because it's what makes me happy,
Yeah.
you know? And like, why are you gonna keep doing something that doesn't make you happy?
But also, isn't it nice that we finally have the language for it? Kasi feeling ko before the internet or nung high school pa lang tayo, nung elementary, ang tingin lang sa atin mga malilikot, mga hindi
Correct.
mapirme.
Oo.
But now, di ba, parang
Multifaceted
multifaceted
people.
ka na, and I think now people like us are somewhat labeled interesting when dati we were like a big, like, what do I do with this child?
Exactly. And they're like, parang wala siyang direction sa buhay. Ang dami
Correct.
niyang ginagawa.
Uh-huh.
Parang, there's a word, yung mga multi-potentialites, something like that.
Multi-potentialized.
Yeah.
Correct. Okay.
And like, growing up, they're like, no, you only have to focus on one thing. Parang stick to that one job.
Yeah.
But like, kaya ko naman gawin lahat eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Siyempre, what they say is, jack of all trades, master of none.
Yeah. But feeling ko, I mean, as Aries, we're like, there are a number of things we're actually like
Diba? Parang,
pretty good at.
bakit jack of all trades, master of none, kung you can be the master of a lot?
Okay. Kaya naman, di ba?
You won't be the best of the best, but
Yeah.
you'll be pretty damn good at it.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Pero ako talaga naniniwala ako na, everybody must have, yun nga, like, an artistic pursuit. I think they need to have a space wherein they also get to be social, because I feel like as human beings, we are social.
We are social beings.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so feeling ko that's where I have my performing endeavors for. And also, like, communing with the divine for whatever creative project you want, I think is also something that's very important. And I
Yeah.
feel like, I'm not sure if architecture does that for you, or design, or the other art.
Other arts
yeah.
also. Like,
Yeah.
so there's a lot of things nga naman that I delve into. Like, I used to paint and I do carpentry also. So it's the form of creating something.
Yeah.
Diba? So that really helps you like develop a part of your brain that does like make you think more. So,
Yeah.
ayun.
Are you able to pinpoint like when you finally embrace na alam mo marami talaga akong like facets? I have a lot to offer, and I can do a lot of things. Like when you started to embrace this, kasi yun nga, maybe the language before was tipong like, it's really a lot. Like, you just
Yeah.
really need to choose one.
Yeah. I think I was able to figure it out during the pandemic.
Oh.
Diba? Kasi parang we're all stuck at home.
Yeah.
And I had a schedule na parang morning yoga, after morning yoga, okay, day job work. So that's like 9 to 5, right? Then afterwards, okay, 5 p.m. Parang sunset, so beautiful. Let's jog. So I would jog a bit. Tapos paggabi, now what? Okay, let's tinker with the tools or let's fold origami. I love origami. So let's fold origami, then create something. So I was like, I can fit all of these in a day.
Alam mo, honestly, when we were stuck at home, ang dami ko rin nagawa. No?
Diba?
Yeah.
So, but would you do it again?
No, of course not. I mean, like, it was, for me, it was the best of times, meaning like I discovered a lot of things about myself. But it was definitely the worst of times because the world was upside down.
Oh my
People
God.
were dying. We did not know if we were gonna be able
We
to make
didn't
it
know.
out of it.
Oh
So
my
in a
gosh.
way, parang we did the best that we could.
But also, if you think about it, we were doing as much as we could so that we don't think about
Actually,
what was going on.
actually,
Gets mo yun?
yeah.
Parang, let's distract ourselves
Medyo
from
escapism talaga siya.
escapism.
Yeah.
But what blossomed from that was,
Sparks Camp.
which actually started during the pandemic.
Correct.
Yeah.
So I want to talk about this.
Oh
So,
my God.
How did you get cast? Did you audition? How was it like nung casting when you found
Yeah.
out that like you're part of it? I mean, as a reality TV junkie, like I just wanna.
Right.
I'm interested to find out like how one gets cast in.
Are
like,
you
a
ready
reality.
for the reality of
Oh
it
yeah,
all?
go. Let
Okay.
it rip.
So, wala akong NDA, so
So sorry sa inyo.
that's all I'm saying. No, but it was more of like I was invited by Miss Mela Habijan. So she's
Hi Mela.
I love her, Miss Yuma. She was a friend before Sparks Camp. I forget how we met. I think it's through friends of friends. ganyan.
Okay.
Then she was like, I took her on a wall climbing date. Wall climbing kami, then we had dinner and everything. Then she goes, are you single? I was like, yeah, I'm single. Then she goes, oh, my friend kasi starting this whole parang Sparks Camp show. It's the first season, blah, 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 blah. And at that time, it wasn't even the whole Singles Inferno layout of like free for all date.
Okay.
It was like kind of a bachelor
Correct.
vibe na parang they would choose one person ganyan. And prior to that, ang dami nilang piniling bachelor.
Okay.
And I was like the fourth option, fifth
Okay.
option. And ako lang yata yung nag-yes. So I was like,
Oh.
and why did I say yes? Because I was bored. I was like,
Para palang si Scarlett Johansson to as Black Widow. She was like the fifth choice.
was she? I don't
Fourth
know.
or fifth choice.
Or
So
si
parang-
Anne Hathaway in Devil
Yeah,
Wears Prada.
parang basically, yeah, so parang sabi ni Scarlett Johansson, like she hated the first day of filming
Oh my
because like
gosh.
she knew she was not wanted. She was like the fourth choice.
Which
Medyo
is so,
ganun din yung naramdaman
exactly, yeah.
mo.
Kasi like,
Oh.
so I go on screen, right? As
Uh-huh.
it wasn't even in person eh. Parang Zoom call layout pa
Correct.
yan. So like, I go on screen and I'm like, oh, this is The Bachelor. Carl Ba, blah, 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 blah. Ang tawag sa akin, The Searcher. Tas may mga searchies, the other guys. And then like, it was funny because they were like, oh, they were trying to impress me. But I knew
That you were the fourth choice.
that I was the fourth choice. And they knew that I wasn't. Parang they weren't sure
Correct.
kasi who it was gonna be.
Correct.
It was like person, than me.
Showbiz
Or
is
me.
hard. Yeah.
And the thing is, these other three guys are like, I'm not gonna say who they are, okay? Because they didn't want to take part of it, so I will not drag them here.
Okay.
But they're nice guys, they're cute, they're amazing guys. And I knew that they were the list, right? So parang I feel like when the searchies saw me on screen, they were like, oh, it's Carl. So I was like, oh my God, I'm sorry, it's just me.
Grabe naman.
Parang, I mean like they were nice naman, but you could feel
na
na,
parang
it-
gets.
gets. But fortunately, they reverted it to the Singles Inferno vibe na free for all, which I enjoyed way more.
So baka naman kasi in-adjust nila yung format because like you know what, Carl will work best if the construct is like this.
And
the universe is always in your favor.
In fairness, thank you, universe. I
Okay.
will appreciate that.
Okay.
So yun, masaya yung filming namin. It wasn't a long shoot, but I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
And I think I make good reality TV
Oh, why do you think you make good reality TV?
because I was authentic.
Yeah. Ooh, and can you say who is not?
The cameras. The cameras aren't authentic kasi they only choose what you want to see.
Totoo
Diba?
naman. I mean, because the story is being told backwards.
Yeah.
Diba? They know the ending already, so they have to
Oo.
support the ending. So that,
Correct.
to some degree, it will be a satisfying finish. Kahit
Correct,
papaano.
correct,
That's
correct.
really how it's made. Right.
But
Yeah.
I am real. It's funny because like my friends who watched it, they're like, why am I watching Carl? Because that's how he is in real life. So it's
Yeah.
kind of funny. And like when people would be like, grabe naman ang ganyan ni Carl, then my friends would be like, no, this is really how he is.
Yeah.
So, yun. And
So would
also,
you do All Stars? If
All-Stars?
they if you get a call, would you do All Stars?
I would do it for the challenges lang. Just so I can win.
As somebody who is always thirsty for triumph,
Sure, yes, that's
he
correct.
will do it again.
Correct.
Okay, grabe. But also, is it a little disorienting when people really only know you from Sparks Camp, knowing that, as a Renaissance man with so many things to offer, that you are definitely more than that.
The cool thing is, honestly, is they see me in Sparks Camp and then they follow me and then they see that I'm an athlete and then they start with their running era or their working out era. And like, honestly, I love that. Like, the number of people who come up to me after fun runs and they're like, oh, thank you, Carl. That
Wow.
like you made me start running again and everything. And like that's really what I use my platform for. Honestly, it's to inspire people to know that they can do so much more than what they think they can do.
Again, it's be the
person you need to be growing up,
Yeah,
diba?
and it very much is like that.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
it's really nice na parang, sige, you see me as in Sparks Camp as this parang guy who's flirting with other guys, but, I'm also more than that.
Uh-huh.
And when they get to know who I am outside of that, it's nice to hear people like commenting or like messaging me na they've been working out and, they've been taking their health more seriously, which is great.
And honest, napaka-important. Sobrang corny. Like, health is so important. Especially pag freelancer ka na.
Correct.
I mean, you might leave your job, you might not leave your job. Pero trust me, kapag, alam mong like, hindi naman sa wala kang health card, pero yung tipong, if magkasakit ako and meron ako natapat na racket that day, I'm screwed.
Oh my
Diba?
God.
That's a realization that you see, now I'm making you realize it.
Kasi I
when
won't leave
you're-
na lang pala. Parang, thanks, boss. I'll stay.
Kasi pag sa 9 to 5, like okay, okay.
You can call in sick.
Like, ito pag may sakit ka or...
Has that happened to you?
Yes. May mga certain Dog Show Divas episode na parang medyo muffled yung sound where you have to kind of muscle through it.
Oh, yeah,
So
yeah.
I mean, as somebody who has been doing freelance for 5 years
Correct.
now, that is something.
Teach me the ways. Show me the
Wow.
ropes.
Pero I guess, what I wanna know then is, you mentioned kanina that you are considering leaving your 9 to 5 because opportunity cost, the other things are very promising. If like, ano nasa manifestation list mo?
Oh my goodness.
Because like, what is it like in the horizon na tipong, no, like leaving my 9 to 5 is worth it because this is where I'm going. Sorry, ginawa ko siya masyadong.
I know. It's like a Miss Universe question,
Correct.
to be honest. I was like, what is
Consider
it?
this your audition for Sparks Camp All
All
Stars.
Stars. Okay, so what I want is, shit. Okay. Well, might as well manifest. Because
Yes.
your manifestation really
Yeah,
is
and
like
there is a
calling
new
out to
moon
the
right
universe.
now. Honestly,
Correct.
there's a new
You
moon
know what?
right
Let's
now,
do
so
it.
let's do it. Oh.
Manifestation ko, world peace. No, it's like, so I work with UNICEF, right?
Correct.
And I work with a lot of NGOs. And I love how I'm using my platform to help others. It's
Uh-huh.
always been like that. To help others, to inspire others. And I just want to keep doing that by being who I am, doing what I do.
Mm-hmm.
And if brands align with me, with like, honestly, one of my favorite brands I've worked with is Decathlon.
Okay.
They have sustainability in mind. They're sports oriented, and hopefully they get me again. But those are my goals, to just work with brands that align with who I am, and also honestly to get a billboard. To get a billboard.
Everybody
to be,
wants a damn. Kami rin ni Makoy. Si Makoy
Diba?
din, like, sis, gusto ko magka-billboard tayo. Every gay guy wants
don't
a
know
damn
why.
billboard. And you know what? Yes!
I don't know why, but I want not a billboard. I want to be in an Adidas poster. Like in the store, you see that athlete
Correct.
running.
Yeah.
That's me.
Ay, yeah. Kayang-kaya yan.
If not Adidas,
Hindi pa ba? Hindi ko
Decathlon, or
makinig
what?
for some like tactical campaign before?
Not
na,
yet. Or actually, that's another question. Pero like I was offered, but parang nagkagulo and everything, so
yeah.
they had to
Got
pass
it.
me off.
yeah.
And another manifestation was to be part of a BL. Like, I did have acting classes before, and I wanted, during the pandemic, diba, BL was so rampant. And I was like,
Yeah.
shit, I want to be part of that show.
Uh-huh.
To show the others na, you know, parang pwedeng kiligin. Ang sayang kiligin.
Kaya ngayon yung suot mo, kinilig ka sa heated rivalry,
Sobra.
diba?
Hindi lang kilig ang naramdaman ng mga tao sa pagpanood nito.
Correct. I
all I'm
mean,
saying.
yes. At least, diba? I mean, I think importante yung setting the goal.
Correct.
Ako, when I manifest, usually it's like the energy that I manifest. Like, kunyari, okay, let's say if you want a billboard, ano yung energy na kailangan mo for that?
Yes.
Para makuha mo yung output ng billboard. So,
it's not just the end goal.
oo,
it's
kasi parang, okay, if you want a billboard, that means you need to be recognized somehow sa ganitong work, which means you need to be consistent, reliable, excellent. So parang medyo ganun ko siya binibreakdown. Yeah.
Wow, so realistic So I had to take notes pala. I'm here to
Actually,
learn from
may
you.
therapy
I'm really
session yeah.
I'm here to learn from
Therapy
you.
session to eh. Pero kung ano man maging decision mo, I'm excited for you.
Oh,
I think
thank
I feel
you.
like I pretty much have a feeling naman the decision you're leaning towards. And it's very fun. But also, I guess I'm here to tell you, the first year of freelancing, it is terrifying.
Correct. I mean, like, honestly, it's not this again, as I mentioned kanina, I've been thinking about it for the past 3 years.
Yeah.
And like, I'm still scared now.
Yeah.
So freaking scared. But
Yeah.
all you can do is prepare as much as you can and like hope things work out. And if it doesn't, you know.
Yeah. And when I say, the first year of freelancing is terrifying, it's the cash flow part eh. Kasi
Yeah,
parang you're
yeah.
putting yourself out there and then yung mga payment terms, minsan 60,
My
90,
God.
minsan 120. So mahiya na lang po kayo. May marang po talagang 120. So you kind of have to orchestrate it para like hindi mo siya masyadong maramdaman. Having said that, because you're not entirely new to content creation, I think that particular potential source of anxiety is something na medyo covered na naman.
Yeah.
I hope.
Again, you can cover as much holes you can cover and, prepare that landing pad from when you leap into freelancing. But, iba pa rin na, sa ako kasi first time ko to eh. Ikaw
Yeah.
kasi you've done it na. So,
Yeah.
you've already landed safely. It's like cliff diving. Have you gone cliff diving?
No.
Oh my
but I
God.
have jumped off proverbial cliffs. So yes.
I guess it's feeling the same.
Yeah.
Parang the anxiety of like looking at how far you're gonna jump. But like getting down there, shit, kaya pala.
Oh no,
Nagawa ko.
I've done. Well, that's not really cliff diving. Yung mga Siargao tour.
I mean, that's
tour spots.
okay. Yung may parang pakapit-kapit. Well, I mean, that's fine.
Medyo
Like,
scary pa rin naman.
it's
siya.
still the fear. It's
Yeah.
really it's facing your fear. I think that's and like what people say or like what I've told people also. It's do it scared.
Yeah.
So it's me telling myself that.
Yeah, and I'm
now.
sure as an Aries and as an athlete, you know that following the fear can be a healthy thing. Can be a good thing.
My
I mean,
payout yan. My payout like for good.
And honestly, ang nagustuhan ko rin, ang main driver mo for doing is pera.
Correct.
Because we need it.
It really
Like,
is. Like,
pera is
whoever
important.
said money can't buy you happiness is rich as fuck already.
Correct. Like, money kasi for me buys you confidence eh. Confidence to take bigger risks. Confidence to be just maybe be a little prouder of yourself.
Oh, yeah. And
So money helps.
money helps you be at ease. Money helps you sleep at night.
That's true. Yeah.
I'm so sorry for being capitalist. Pero not really capitalist, but I'm saying money.
Well, not entirely because you're still a UNICEF ambassador. So
oh yeah, of course.
There
Oh.
is still good that you are giving to this world.
UNICEF creator, ambassador kasi si Anne and si...
And you want that gig eventually, right?
It would be nice.
Yeah.
It would be nice.
So, laban. But thank you so much. This was so fun. Para siyang
Therapy. So magkano po yung bill ko sa therapy?
yun
Gcash na lang.
So, kailangan ko po yung bago mong phone. Ibabayad mo sa akin. But thank you so much. This was
Thank
so
you.
fun. I
So
wasn't
fun.
expecting it to go this way only because Bute, you told me that you're considering,
I was gonna drop the bomb middle of the show. Pero
Pero no, but favorite ng audience ko yan.
I love
Usapang resignation, like moving to just transitioning into like a new plane
Correct.
of your life. So thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
that.
Thank you, boss.
And the freelancing life is waiting for you.
I'll be here, guys. Please support me. Follow me and I'll... Charot.
Go! I was about to say,
okay.
like, tell the children where they can find you.
Correct. The children can find me in the UNICEF.
Yeah.
like help the children, guys. But also, you guys can follow me on my socials at Carl Bao, KarlBa3Us on all social platforms: Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. I mean X and Facebook.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much. And again, maraming salamat po for joining us today. Please follow Kaya Babapod on Instagram and I am Hey It's Baus everywhere. See you on the next episode. Maraming salamat. Goodbye.
Thank you. Bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.